Stop engines. Hard a port. Helm a port. We are discovered. Full combat alert. Captain, the target has been captured. Hard a port. Missiles launched. Establish visual contact. The enemy has been destroyed. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Fire at the enemy. Keeping watch. Target hit. Establish visual contact.
Enemy target detected. Bearing 9-1.
Captain, the target has been captured. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations.
Establishing visual contact.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Establish visual contact. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5. Assess the damage. Harbor integrity broken.
Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target. Establishing visual contact.
Missile launch that target. Target destroyed.
Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured. Target hit.
Establishing visual contact. Keeping watch. We are under attack. Damage reported.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Fire on command. Stop all engines. Both engines. Half speed ahead. Establish visual contact.
Hit confirmed.
Torpedoes standing by.
Establishing visual contact.
Target hit. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Keeping watch.
Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Torpedo launch authorized. Missile launch at target.
I see a hit on the target.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Establish visual contact. Hard, starboard.
Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Establish visual contact. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Half ahead.
Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact.
Hard a port. Torpedo to the enemy ship. The target is within range.